Jump over here, and you gotta do your time signature here. It's a tighter. The people want to swing. You know what I'm saying? Hey, play Misty for me. Let's play Misty for you. You know what I'm saying? So here's what I want to do. I want to play that song for you. And right now I'm kind of, I told these guys, you know, we're one place and we're somewhere else. It's all fast. And like, this guy over here is going, sounds like a fucking donkey up his ass. Playing a French horn.
Next time I'm buying you still.
This guy here with his giant fingers and shit. Like Thumper the Rabbit or something. And you got David. I'm still doing this fucking terrible accent, by the way. Then you got David back here. Fucking wiggity wiggity whack like he's on fucking crack. Like a over-caffeinated rat. And I'm doing the same shit. So anyway. So here's what we're gonna do. I asked these guys to play, let's slow it down and play something smooth. I don't know what they're gonna do, but I'm gonna give a count. When they count it in, we're gonna see what kind of urge we got here. That was a whole bunch of bullshit.
Yes, Dad! We love you.
One, a two, a 1, 2, 3. Tell you all about it. I control the urge, I want to